Well, the Clay County Detention Center is setting aside space to help inmates dealing with mental illness. Nearly a third of the roughly 400 inmates are considered mentally incompetent. Fox 4's Kirsten Stokes shows us how this pilot program is working to make sure that everyone gets a fair and speedy trial.
With Clay County being the only detention center to provide the space for this program in the Kansas City metro area, they say this will give inmates with mental health struggles an opportunity to a fair and speedy trial. Clay County is partnering with the Missouri Department of Mental Health Services to launch a jail-based competency program designed to ensure inmates awaiting trial receive proper mental evaluations before facing a judge. Once an inmate is declared mentally incompetent to stand trial, they need to go to the State Mental Health Hospital in Fulton, Missouri. Due to lack of resources and beds, this partnership is meant to bring those services to detention centers across the state. Sarah Boyd, the public relation manager for the Clay County Sheriff's Office, says the initiative reinforces inmates' constitutional rights under the Sixth Amendment, guaranteeing a fair and speedy trial.
Everybody in America is entitled to that, whether they're mentally ill and no matter what kind of crime they've committed.
The Clay County Detention Center currently houses about 400 inmates. Roughly one-third are experiencing mental health struggles, according to Boyd. The facility can accommodate up to 10 inmates through the pilot program, serving individuals from both Clay County and surrounding areas in the Kansas City metro. While the initiative does not come with additional direct cost, the county must outsource space for some of its own inmates to make room for those participating in the pilot program.
We're having to house inmates out at other jails that could be in that space at the cost of $65 to $100 per inmate per day.
Currently, Clay County employs one mental health clinician who is not directly involved in the pilot program. However, Boyd said she hopes that as the program develops, it will be able to prioritize Clay County inmates first and later expand to assist other regional detention centers.
It has helped people get the treatment that they need and the medication that they need to regain, the ability to understand the charges against them.
So far, they've enrolled 2 inmates from the Clay County Detention Center into the pilot program, but they are taking inmates from other detention centers. Reporting in Clay County, I'm Kirsten Stokes, working for you.